Now let us discuss chapter 3, coordinate geometry. You have already learned how to locate a point on a number line. No? Last year we have learned how to locate the house corresponding to the streets, like that, how to tell the route to your house, like that. Okay. Now today we are going to learn, that is, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry means, first one, let us discuss Cartesian system. For that, one graph paper we need. So that graph paper we are going to divide into horizontal and vertical lines. So here now look at this one. This one is x-axis. The horizontal one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. So as we mark in the number line, this side positive numbers will come and this side negative numbers will come. So x, x dash and y, y dash, you can say. This join of this one, x-axis, intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. What is it called? Origin, and its points are 0, 0. Okay, this point is 0, 0. It is called origin of the point. Okay, the meeting point of x and y axis. Now here all the positive quantities of x will come, here negative quantities. Same way upward positive quantities of y and negative quantities of y downwards it will come. So let us mark that one. So first square I am marking 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Now here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9 and negative 10. Here also positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, 11, like that it will go. Okay. Now look at this one. Now when we draw x and y axis, it is divided into 4 parts. No? So each part is called quadrant. What is each part is called? Quadrant. Okay, quadrant. Now this is the first quadrant, this one is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now in first quadrant x and y will be positive. So we will write first x coordinate and second one y coordinate. Okay, so in first quadrant x and y are positive. In second coordinate x is negative and y is positive. X is negative and y is positive. Now in third coordinate both x and y are negative. Okay, negative. Now in fourth coordinate x will be positive and y will be negative. Now let us discuss how you will locate points on this Cartesian system. Okay, now before that, x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. Now let us locate -6, -2. -6, first one we are going to locate -2, -6, -2. That means the first one is x coordinate and second one is y coordinate. Now both are negative, that means it will come in the third quadrant. First one is see -6, where it will come, -6 is here, no, and -2 is here, the second one. So let us move that from here to here, where it will meet this point, no, -6 and -2. So this point is -6 and -2. Now let us take 3, 4. 3, 4 means positive only. 3, 4. So 3 and 4 both are positive. 3 is the first number. So x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. So 3 is here, 4 is here. So what is their meeting point? This one. Okay. So this point is 3, 4. 3 and 4 from here, meeting point is 3, 4. That it will come in the first quadrant because both of them are positive. Now let us take -2, 5. -2 means what? It is the x coordinate and 5 positive 1, that is y coordinate. -2 and 5, here it will come -2, 5. Okay, so like this you can represent the numbers on a Cartesian plane. Okay, now example. Now example 1, see page number 57. See the figure 3.11 and complete the following statements. The abscissa and ordinate of the point B are dash and dash respectively, hence the coordinates of B are. So look at this 3.11 B. Where is B? This one is B. So abscissa means x coordinate, that is 4. Ordinate means y coordinate, that is 3. So the point will be 4, 3. Okay. Now second one is the x coordinate and y coordinate of M. The x coordinate is -3 and y coordinate is +4. Now third question is the x coordinate and y coordinate of the point L, that is L. L is here. Okay, so L will be -5 and -4. So like that you can complete that one. Example 2, you see, write the coordinates of the point marked on the axis. Now look at this one. First one is A. A is 4 and y coordinate will be 0. It is on that x axis. So the points are of A are 4, 0 and B is what? 3 is given there. Y coordinate is 3 and x coordinate is 0. It is on the y axis. So 0, 3. Now C, you see it is on the x-axis. So negative 5, 0. Y coordinate is 0 there. So negative 5, 0. Then D is on y-axis again. So x coordinate 0 there. 0, negative 4. Okay. Now E is, it is given 2 by 3 there. So 2 by 3 and 0. Because y coordinate is 0, it is on the x-axis. So if the points are on x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. If the points are on y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. Okay. Now origin means 0, 0. Both of them are 0, 0. Okay. Now exercise 3.2. First question, write the answer of each of the following question. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Answer is x-axis and y-axis. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So each part, that is called quadrant. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect, that is intersection point is origin. Okay, and coordinates are 0, 0. Now see the figure 3.14 and write the following. The coordinates of B. 3.14, this figure you see, coordinates of point B. Where is B? This one. So it is negative 5, 2. Negative 5, that first one you have to say x coordinate, that is negative 5 and 2. Then the coordinates of C. C is 5, negative 5. 5, x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is negative 5. The point identified by the coordinate negative 3, negative 5. Where is negative 3, negative 5? Here. Which is that point? That is E. Okay. Now, fourth question. The point identified by the coordinates 2, negative 4. 2, negative 4. Where 2, negative 4 will come? 2, positive and negative 4. So here, which is that one? G. 2, negative 4. G. The abscissa of the point D. Abscissa means x coordinate of the point D. What is that? 6. The ordinate of the point H. Ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. What is that? Negative 3. Now, the coordinates of the point I. I. What is I? I or L? It's not marked there. Okay, leave it. The coordinates of the point M. Where is M? Here. So negative 3 and 0. Okay. 0, 5. L. Here is L. So 0, 5 it is given there. The coordinates of the point L is 0, 5. Okay. Now